Okay. Here is the question. A particle moves a distance x in time t according to equation x is equal to t plus 5 to the power minus 1. The acceleration of the particle is proportional to what? Here are four options which are given, and correct option will be the answer of this question. The first option is given, acceleration of the particle may be proportional to the velocity to the power 3 by 2. It is option A. And the second option is, acceleration of the particle is proportional to the distance square, and acceleration of the particle is proportion to the distance to the power minus 2, and acceleration of the particle is distance to the power velocity to the power 2 by 3. So, I am going to use the main concept. The main concept is what is given here. Main question is this, and this question I am taken from NEET 2010. Okay, this question was asked in NEET 2010. So I am trying to solve this one before you. Okay, and the distance of the particle is given by x is equal to t plus 5 to the power minus 1. Distance is given. What is required? Required is acceleration. Therefore, we are going to find the differentiation of displacement with respect to time twice. Okay. Now, x is equal to t plus 5 to the power minus 1. Okay. Therefore, velocity is equal to v is equal to differentiation of x with respect to t, d by differentiation of x with respect to t. X is equal to what? T plus 5 to the power minus 1. To calculate the differentiation of t plus 5 to the power minus 1, I am going to use exponential theorem. Okay, exponential formula of differentiation. What is the exponential formula of differentiation? Differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. I am going to use this. Okay, let's start. Using this formula, I will have minus 1 into t plus 5 to the power minus 1 minus 1. It gives me minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2. And this is what? This is the velocity of the particle. This is the velocity of the particle that I calculated here. Now, I am required to calculate the acceleration of the particle. So I will differentiate again velocity with respect to time to get the acceleration. Therefore, acceleration A is equal to dv by dt is equal to v is equal to what? V is equal to minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2 minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus, it is become 2 t plus 5 whole to the power minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 into t plus 5 to the power 3. Suppose it is say 1 and it is say, no, it is say 1 and it is say 2. Acceleration is equal to 2 into t plus 5 to the power 3, and velocity v is equal to minus t plus 5 whole to the power minus 2 minus 3. The difference is what? Here t plus 5 to the power minus 2 and here t plus 5 to the power minus 3. So I will try to convert t plus 5 to the power minus 2 to exponent t plus 5 to the power minus 3. And doing that, v is equal to 2 into t plus 5 to the power minus 2. I will have to take power 3 by 2 in both sides. Power 3 by 2 both in both the sides. Okay. Power 3 by 2 in the both side. Okay. Minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 3 by 2 implies v to the power 3 by 2 is equal to v to the power 3 by 2 is equal to minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 will be eliminated. It becomes t plus 5 to the power minus 3. It means v to the power 3 by 2 is equal to minus t plus 5 to the power minus 3. Okay. Now I can substitute the value minus t plus 5 to the power minus 3 as v is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore a is equal to 2 into minus v to the power 3 by 2 implies a is equal to minus 2 into v to the power 3 by 2. As minus 2 is constant, I can write a proportional to v to the power 3 by 2 implies a proportional to velocity to the power 3 by 2. This is our correct option. See, the correct option is acceleration is proportional to the velocity to the power 3 by 2. This is our correct option. You can find out the solution of this type of problems, which is frequently asked in NEET like competitive examination. Okay. Have a good day.